Combination microwave ovens have different cooking functions. One function may be better suited than another, depending on the foods you're cooking. A true understanding of the methods will allow you to get perfect results every time. You can use the base of the oven when cooking in convection, or place food on the enamel, glass or wire shelves. You can bake sponge cakes, savoury pies, pizzas, quiches and tarts. Because convection doesn't use microwaves, a heat-proof metal tin can be used to cook with. Convection and grill cooking is more effective than just convection and can cook heavier food items. Using the wire shelf, you can use it to roast red meat, thick steaks and even braise fish. Once again, a heat-proof metal tin can be used due to the absence of microwaves. Convection and microwave combination cooking is useful for reheating, especially for dishes like quiche, pizza and bread. The addition of convection heating to the microwave function circulates heat, which is ideal for baked goods. Any containers should be microwavable and heat-proof and used with the glass shelf accessory. The grill and microwave combination effectively roasts meat and poultry and is also great for cooking and crisping dishes such as lasagna and gratin. Similarly to convection and microwave combination, containers must be microwavable and heat-proof. Both the wire and glass shelf can be used in this mode. Accessories should be used correctly, especially metal racks and wire shelves. They can be used in combination mode, but must be insulated. The enamel shelf can't be used with combination programs. Dishes used must be heat-proof. If you have any questions regarding your Panasonic microwave, our customer service team are on hand to help.